Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to talk about our user acquisition. Like if you run Google ads or Facebook ads. So you want to see these how many users coming from Facebook ads and Google ads and how many time is spent on our website. What was the average time? So if you want to see this, so this video for you. So this is Google Analytics demo account. Right now I'm going to the reports. Under the report section, you will get user acquisition tab. Under the acquisition, then you can see here user acquisition or traffic acquisition. Little bit same. You can select from the user acquisition. After click the user acquisition, then you will see here is the new user engagement, engagement rate, engagement per user. There is another option for average time, engagement time. Okay, and here is the other session, which session they are counted. So you can find very indirectly we can find on here. So you just select from here, so we will see this user on this event, like begin checkout event or purchase event, how many user engaged or on this event. Okay, now we are talking about the main part. Now I'm going to select from here to default channel to Google ads and ad group. When I select on here, then we will see three type of Google ad or a group name is coming on here. So here is we see one is a not set. So most of user coming from not set. Why? Cause of our tracking did not work properly. That's why not set. Maybe GDPR rules, and using this GDPR rules, we are not tracking. We are Google Analytics also not allowed to track them. That's why this is not set. But we get here is from the AW brand custom event, but here is no user. This is very bad. But here is we see from AI there is no engaged session. If I select last 12 months, then if we get some from here, I'm waiting on here. So you see when I select the last 12 month, we see on here like so many ad copy on here, 97 ad copy total. If I select it 225, something like that. But here is we're going to show this is the Google ad group name. Okay, and here is the new user session, engagement rate. So what is the engagement time, how they are count in Google Analytics? If you go on the setting, I'm going to the admin, then you can see here the data stream. Under the data stream, you can open from here. This is the Google demo store, and you can go to the here is the configure tag setting. Under the click configure tag setting, you will get this Google tag setting, how they are works. And here is we will make some condition as well. So here is we see this website is connected on North America and Canada web. Here is some option, manage automatic event detection. Click the more icon, then you will see advanced session timer. Like I'm visiting a website and it's like .de. Search something like this Facebook page. So this Facebook page I'm visiting on here. After 10 seconds, Google Analytics will count I am visited, so I am engaged. If I visit this page after before going to 10 seconds, I close this. I just visit this meta. I just will visit from here this Snapchat business page, and no 10 second, after 3 second or 4 second, after 9 second later I close this. That's when this user not engaged user. So how I can fix that? So if you go on here, adjust session timeout. So on here adjust session timeout, you will see adjust timer for engaged session. This is showing Google default taking this 10 second. If someone visit our page and close before 10 second, this is not engaged session. Okay, so engaged user and engaged session we will make some different. And also our engaged timeout automatically timeout adjust session timeout is 30 minutes. So one user, one session taking 30 minutes. If one user visiting our website like 1 hours, that's mean two two session they are created. 30 minutes later, the Google Analytics making automatically their another session. Okay, so using this session, then we can change. Right now, I'm not administrator on this account. That's why I am not changing on here. You can select also the hours or minutes or second as well. So this is the another option. And also on here, you can define internal traffic. Using this internal traffic, if you go on here, there is showing no recent rules. If you are administrator, you can add some internal traffic. Like I'm visiting this store, so what was my IP? You can search just what is my IP address. So if you search on here, what is my IP address? You can question on the Google also. This is showing here. This is my IP address. Here is after a little bit scroll. This is my public IP. You can copy this IP address from here and go to here Google Analytics. You can define internal traffic. You can exclude this. Also, you can override the cookie setting as well. Override Google cookie setting on here, and here is also modify some event blog, reduce data. We can data orientation, data filter. Then we will see on here, and that the data collection. If you go on here, here is showing Google acknowledgement. You can always acknowledge, click just acknowledge and enable the Google signal as well. So this is the issue I'm talking about. What was the engaged user session? So using this acquisition, then user acquisition, we will see one here. Like we can select from the default group to our user campaign. If you select the user campaign, we are not seeing on this Google Analytics, no Facebook. Because of Google, this is Google product. So Google not run their ads on Facebook. They are not spend time. So this is the group user campaign. This is the campaign name. And if you click on here to source user campaign to the ad group, so this is the group name and ad group. If you select on here first user session, then you will get like CPC. So under the CPC, if you find one like how many user coming from CPC, then you can search from here CPC. And also you can put here the session, just type session and medium. Or if you type on session and medium, this is showing the same option. But from the email, what was the session source? What was the our UTM is working on here, like a newsletter form submitted. What was the session? Then we will see it on here. And here is so many. Here is I see the email. If you copy this email, if you search on here, email. I just manually type on here. So when I search on email, so how many the session we will see one here. What was the from the email is Google Mail. This one site.google. So using these, they are making their UTM builder and Google Analytics get this counting by email. Okay. So if you select another fast user source, as the same works on here will be like a directly they are showing on the source under the email. If you close on here, sorry, if you close on here, then you will see the all. Also the email is showing on here, but also you will see some Facebook. So now I'm copy this facebook.com or directly I put on here. Sorry, Facebook copy is not works. Facebook, I just click on here search. So then we will say Facebook. And now what we will do? We got 30 users. So which page they are most visited? That click to the plus icon and search page, landing page string or page for the screen class. After click this, then it will make some filter. This is the page, and on this product page coming from Facebook, how many time is spent on our website? You can see from here engagement average time. So on this page, average 4 seconds is spent from the Facebook. On this page from the Facebook, they are spending 9 seconds. No second, this is not engaged user. Just directly click. No, average time is no. But on the first page, home page, they are spending 3 minutes 58 seconds. So using this, you will get average engagement time as well. Also, you will see on here average user, average event. If you want to find individually how many purchases coming from the Facebook, then you can search directly from the purchase. And you can see one here. We will see no purchase from the Facebook. And if I search on here like how many from the add to cart as well, then we will see some data also maybe. This is also not work. If I select last 90 days or 12 months, hope we will get some data. So I'm waiting for this. Yes, we will get some data. So on here, we are seeing the first user source. We make a filter like a Facebook, and then we will find page path, not full page. We are making the page path. Then we make event count, individual event. We will select on here. And now what we will do here is, when you click this icon, then you will see most visited or most event count pages. So on the home page, add to cart is so many 10. On this product, add to cart is 7. On this product, add to cart is 6. So you are very easily you can find. this your pace path, your user engagement time, or your user event time, what was the conversion. Then you will see like a first visit, how many user have first visited on here. Then you will get this one. So on this space we have 150 first visited, but if you go on the users, and new user is also 150. Okay, because this all new user is engaged on our website. So using this you will find this. So hope you will learn something little bit from my video. Thank you for seeing this video. Hope this video is helpful for you. Feel free to like this video and subscribe my channel for more upcoming videos, and I promise you, you will never be disappointed. See you on my next video. Have a great day.